Hello, I am Dr. Pragati Gore. Today we are going to learn basic concepts of income tax. In this video, we are going to cover the topics like tax, taxation system in India, Income Tax Act, types of tax and income tax heads. Now, what is tax? Tax is a compulsory payment made to the government by the public. Tax is a fees charged by the government on a product, income or activity. We can say it is a compulsory payment to the government without expectations of direct return. Or let us say it is the compulsory contribution from a person to the government. It is a revenue for the government. Why does government require this revenue? See, like we all require money to run our house or for all expenses of house, in the same way government requires revenue to run the country. Funds are required by the government to provide facilities like road, health, electricity, education and other infrastructural development. Let us see some characteristics of tax. Tax is a compulsory payment. Tax payers does not get direct returns. Taxes are levied at progressive rate. Tax is one of the important sources of finance to the government. Now, let us know about Income Tax Act. Income Tax Act first came into existence in 1857. It was introduced by British government. After that, many amendments were made. Today, we follow Income Tax Act 1961. On 1st April 1961, this act came into force. Now let us know about the income tax system of India. In India, tax system is mainly three-tier system, which is by central government, state government and local government. Constitution of India provides that no tax shall be levied or collected except by authority of law. Let us learn about types of tax. Tax can be classified into two, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is a charge which is imposed directly on the taxpayer. Direct tax is directly paid by a person to the government. Direct tax is one which cannot be shifted by the taxpayer to someone else. It is levied directly on the income of a person. Now, direct tax includes income tax, wealth tax, property tax, gift tax, etc. Whereas indirect tax is the tax which is collected by intermediary. It is not directly paid by a person to the government. Indirect tax is not directly paid by a person to the government. The burden in indirect tax can be shifted by the taxpayer to someone else. Indirect tax is levied on prices of goods or services. Indirect tax includes excise tax, goods and service tax, that is GST, service tax, sales tax, custom duty and VAT, that is value added tax, etc. Now let us understand the difference between direct tax and indirect tax by a simple example. For example, my annual income is 5 lakhs and I pay income tax of 10,000. Now this is the direct tax which I directly pay to the income tax department. Now let us understand indirect tax. For example, if I purchase a TV set and pay 50,000 to the shopkeeper, out of this money, shopkeeper keeps 40,000 and pays 10,000 to the government as GST. Though this 10,000 is taken from me, it is paid as a GST by the shopkeeper. And that is why this is indirect tax. I hope this is clear to all. Okay. Now we are going to study income tax in detail. Income tax is classified under 5 heads. That is income from salary, income from house property, income from business and profession, income from capital gains, and income from other sources. That is all for today's session. In next session, we are going to learn how to calculate income from salary. So for now, that's all. Thank you so much.